Circle mark.
Into the water here, the men's 100 individual medley, 4 laps of the pool before strokes. Surely the man to look out for, Vladimir Morozov. He's already won the 100 freestyle here, the first event tonight. The current world record holder in this event. Broke the world record twice this season. Now stands at 50.30. Make their way down to the halfway mark here. Philip Hines out hard for Germany, 23.63. Second spot, Pavel Sankovic of Belarus, 23.84. And then back to Morozov of Russia, 23.97. Morozov is undefeated in this event on the World Cup Tour this season as well. 5 races, 5 victories. Coming down the final freestyle leg now. See the black cap of Russia starting to emerge. Someone of his freestyle pedigree, so hard to stop from there. And down to touch, Morozov makes it 6 from 6. At time, 51.75. Philip Hines of Germany with the silver, 52.27. And Pavel Sankovic of Belarus third, 52.68.
إذا الروسي فلاديمير موروزوف يحصد الذهبية في 51.75. أما الفضية فللألماني فيليب هيت، والبرونزية للبيلاروسي بافل سانكوفيتش.
So Morozov grabs his second gold medal of the night, victory the 100 freestyle and now the 100 individual medley. Keeps that unbeaten run intact. Wins in Paris in round 1, Berlin round 2, Moscow round 3, Beijing round 4, Dubai round 5, and now here in Doha in round 6.